first major holiday together.
And there you go.
Oh, don't silence us, motherfucker. Yeah, I tried you back on the kick, but it wouldn't go through. It kept saying you weren't available. Leave a video message. But I'm recording it, the whole thing. I'll put it on my YouTube and my Facebook. Yeah. No, you can't do Facebook. You can only do it from your phone to YouTube, and then you got to go home and do it from your phone to your Facebook, or to your computer, and then from your computer to Facebook. You just plug your cable. Yeah, you just plug your cable in like you did that time. It'll say, do you want to use it just to charge? Do you want to use it as a SD card, you know, like your phone, because it's got stuff in it? And you just, all right, cool. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to videotape it, huh?
We're going to add her as a friend on Facebook.
You what? Oh, yeah, Chris and I are going to look you up through mine and add you as a friend on Facebook. They're going to put a request to you. All right, cool. Chris and Carla Cabot. All right, see ya. Talk to you in a little bit. All right, bye. See, that was the one that they went and saw in Milwaukee. They went up to a 7-story parking facility. They got to the
best way to go. You
go
way
to the top, and it was over the lake. It
that
was
way
off
you
of
can
barges.
watch.
It was off barges on the lake, so they saw the reflection too. Recorded the reflection and the. Too bad so many old folks, straight folks are here. I'll be jamming some damn rock and roll. Y'all gonna hear this on my Facebook, but I'm a sick in the head motherfucker that doesn't hurt nobody but myself. And that's not physical either. That's we won't go there. We don't free willy that often. Change arms, I'm going to have some acid trip looking videos. Boy. You know, when your arms start shaking, then the videos look like somebody on acid.
Sorry, honey.
Flashbacks of acid. Flashbacks. Huh? It's amazing I didn't bring Lori's new camera, but you know that, I didn't think of it, you know, so I got some brain damage going on.
This, we know.
It's not from the weed. It's from maybe too much weed, but not enough sex. The sex will.
We said
no
lack
sex.
of sex.
Yeah, there you go. It just fills your brain full of mixtures of who knows where I am at. Y'all listen to this on the video. This is good instructions. Learning video. Warning: mosquitoes will bite your ears in fields. Just happened in the middle of my warning. Is that a lightning?
Uh-oh.
Oh, battery already? You Play-Doh? I can get about 5 more minutes out of it, probably. I got a battery charger in the car, but I'd have to
sit in the car.
Well, yeah, keep it on. I could do that. Hold it outside and videotape. Prop it on the hood, and then go down next to me and blow it out his ass. I had to park his truck. Or you didn't realize people with small cars and big balls will pull into his car. You know? I got a steering wheel on that car, you know what I'm saying? That's all I need. Oh, I can hear all that shit going. The mosquitoes love us too. I should have brought my damn...
Hey,
I should have brought my mosquito machines, damn it. They would have been spinning on both sides.
They're not eating me, so...
They ain't getting you yet. They just know I'm full of sperm and just taking it through my arms and shit, you know? Like, no.
They don't eat Chris.
I know. He's empty. He's been drained regularly.
Not lately.
Well, I mean, yeah, well, better watch the windshield when it goes off. You know? The rearview mirror might get broke or something, you know?
It's already broke.
Oh, shit.
Came out from work and damn dude's hanging out the wire. Like, what the hell? I think Grandma was there.
I gotta practice for tomorrow if I go dirt biking anyway, so I have to hold this up in the air like this.
I like those ones that after they go out, they do more.
I don't know if I change positions, they'll bite you and not me. I think they go after certain body flavors and stuff, you know, or not flavors, but
They want to get high for it.
they know when someone's jacked over.
You just want to go after your sponge.
No, they want to get the other stuff.
Dave, okay, have they started yet? 5 minutes ago. Damn, somebody's got shot now. Man, this shit's reminding me of Vietnam, man. All the sounds get real loud like that. Freaks you out.
The cops just another place on for.
Oh, that probably scares that fucking helicopter or whatever that thing is up there.
Oh, no battery, no. Sorry, Charlie.
Oh my god.
Kids are getting hurt back there, so. Ooh, no. They're emptying the cash fund for the year.
I want to save your battery for the end.
Yeah, I might have to go to the car if it starts dogging me. I think I remember last year they got it done for like 12 to 15 minutes they were done. And then I left out the back way because I knew that once you go down toward the store, many fruits and their cakes are on the street. And you run over them without trying to and shit like that.
It was right before I had John, or got pregnant with John. Chris and I went with you and Tim, and Chris and I were on top of our car.
Report on YouTube.
And we got hit with the debris from the fireworks.
Oh boy.
And I'm like, ow. We had a couple fires that year. Finale.
City finale's over here. Six minutes into it, and it's that's it, they blew their wad. Little foreplay.
Chris.
8 minutes of shit. Well, anyway. That's right, people, cry. Run, get in your cars and fly. Video over. Look, we got tricked. We got tricked. Alright, clear the parking lot, people. We need new spots. Actually, that was the last little fizzle one. That was the last dud that just went off by accident. Alright, video over, Rover. Here goes one more. Look at this. I think we stay, man. I think they just teased our cop a little bit, you know?
I'm good at that, though.
You better go the other way, dude. There's a car parked in the middle of the road right here. You guys want to drive past this car in the parking lot? You want to run over their garden? That's cool. Just go for it. That's a church. You're not supposed to destroy the church's garden. Oh, Mr. Booty Duty, man. Haul ass out of here quicker than a monster in a fucking dragon boat. Faster than a goat with long balls in a field of pepper grass. Now we got a telephone pole in our fucking way.
No, man. Sounds like a personal problem.
Nah, it's good. That's my dick crying. Just my upper head.
Dude, this car 24/7.
Yeah, but when I was single, it wasn't that. Not single, but when I had some friends that were normal.
And we're not normal?
Well, I'm talking about that I could be with, normal, like, I like not have someone at the house causing me to not do who I want to be, or be anybody after 40 years of not being me. So I can't keep being a phony. Got to be me. Rap video maniac, me. Not really. Just really with an L-L-Y, not I-E.
Good camera on it.
And I ain't rhyming either. All that holds still.
Can't hold still, never.
It works. After about 3 hours, 3 girls, and making them squeal like rabbits, fish out of water. Then I rest. And if they come near me next 20 minutes, it's over. They get like 2 hours. Look out, here it comes. Stand up there. You're right. Talking shit's fun on video, isn't it? You can talk shit, but just don't put my name in it. So you already did. So that one asswife's running home real fast, and all this shit's going on behind. Out his back window, his kids are cursing him. You're a dumb step. If my mom wasn't wearing a bikini all the time, we would beat your ass and get you out of our house. What? What are you talking about?
He's your
So true. Sorry, my brain's just fluttering a little. It's the 4th of July, tomorrow's the 5th, so, you know, next day's the 6th, and the 7th, 8th, whatever, right? And there's next year. That's people who are queer.
Next year will be up here.
And there's the ones I call deer that would be there when I was here.
They should make one at the end that says "Look."
I would tell them, have no fear. Will the Thrill is here. They dropped their
You
door.
scare me sometimes, man.
Oh, God. Because they know me, it was the best celebration of the day. If they didn't know me, they would be scared to death. Because so many phonies, so many people who aren't real are out there with a front. So many people have a front on, you know, an eminent front. You know, sunshine.
I would
People forget.
tape up his whole fucking body.
Forget. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
That I can.
I would die because I can't breathe through my fucking nose. So one time my brother taped me up hands and feet, and we were playing this game to see if we could get to the back of the house, like 100 feet way back there. And I made it. I hopped all the way down. I was 2 feet, and he's like, he's so pissed off, he pushed me in the chest, and I went down like a tree, man. Because there was no way to. Oh yeah, because we were like tight.
He pushed me in the chest.
And I just touched the top of your what do you call it? Your
He touched the top.
what do they call that blade up there? That blade, or the chest blade, or shoulder blade? Nah, they're over here, man. I didn't touch them. I fucked
What are
them.
you gonna do about it?
Good.
Yes, he did.
Hey, she bumped them into me earlier when we were at the waterfall. She almost fell, and I held her up like this.
I did not almost fall.
Well, I thought you did.
You just wanted the couple feel.
I thought you did, so I put my elbow back to help hold you up. And I didn't know what was there. It felt like my ex-stepmom that time. Had the little cuddly, soft things, you know. Nobody got their head up in the arm. No elbows got hit on
Please
no
help me.
All right, this is a 4th of July video. We got too much gunpowder in our lungs. And Indians get gunpowder in their lungs. Things come out weird. Don't ask me what they're doing. Hey, don't ask me what they're doing back there. I know what I'm doing here. I'm definitely not being queer.
Oh, if you say so.
I have no fear. Therefore, I'm not queer. And any girls that want to come up and I'll call them dear. They'll find out I'm not queer.
Sure, what the door is doing?
If they're queer, they can bring their friends. No. The girls.
Oh, yeah.
Because I can have a contest with them.
Why did I agree to come up here?
Because I do, well, because there's more than just me. I can all look at the fireworks.
No, I meant up to,
yeah,
this
this area. Yeah, well, yeah, because there's a lot of things to see up here. Waterfalls, fireworks, more waterfalls. Well, this battery didn't give me no warning now. It's just I mentioned it's going to do it. It's up
That's it, I'm done.
It's made it up to 14 minutes.
15.
This is a YouTube extravaganza. YouTube channel extravaganza. Really? Yeah, well, sounds good. You know, whatever you want to call it. Fireworks with Willie.
Hey, what about us?
Oh yeah, that's right. They're over here too. Fireworks with
Hello.
Chris and set off my beeper. Chris and beeper set her off. More. You tricked us once, you're not tricking us again. We are not tricksters. Alright, grand finale, it's time to go home.
There we go again.
That's it. They did the finale earlier. I forgot the finale means the end. Wait a minute. Well, they gave us a few extras there.
Somebody hit the wrong button.
Yeah, they're feathering up a few more here for us. A few last fireworks. Check that out. I'm trying to make myself stay. Den's in easy, so finding stuff that doesn't have a crevice or a creek because it'll fold in. It's tin. I mean, not old. It's just that cheap tin.
Beer can.
See, here it's going to be like dented. So the fender. I think the fender. Well, that's plastic there. It'll get a warm. Oh, that was a good one if I can stop shaking.
Making sure everything's all okay with the money.
I can hear them launching them all one after the other. Grand finale in the alley. Looking over there at Sally. A lot of people come up here in their pajamas. I'm going to have to start doing that. Wearing those Joe Boxer pajamas in town. They'll do it all the time in town over here. They'd be walking around in pajamas. I'm like, yo, you want to get back in bed or what? I got one in the back of my car. No. It's not blowing up. It's a camping bed, but we could throw it down in the parking lot and act like something ain't happening.
Four.
You get a bag, but it won't be a big bag.
Let's hope that I erased enough crap out of here, because when I was doing videos at the four-wheeling, they said I was out. I did clear a bunch of stuff. Yeah, this is a 5 megapixel or think it's a 5 megapixel camera on this or something. This was the first Android that came. That's gotta be planned for now. Too bad my 3D phone wasn't here, right? I could have been doing this on my 3D one. I don't know if it'll play back in 3D, but pretty soon everything's going to play back in 3D without glasses. But that's the first 3D phone that's coming out. I'm getting it tomorrow. The Sprint burned me so much on so much. I got a dedicated representative to my corporate account that takes care of the shit right away. For 3, 4, 7 years, I used all the flunkies in the call center because I didn't know.
Going back, that's one reason we got our phone.
Yeah, you guys get crashed out.
Work.
So you guys gotta leave at 5? So you gotta get up at 5, or what time you want me to get you at 5? Alright.
We're rush back, drive back. But
that was it. Why is it smoking in the street right there? Somebody doing stuff.
Them off in the parking lot.
Not right there, they're not. Oh, people are, you said.
Yeah.